you ever wondered what's really inside your bottle of Coca-Cola? Every single day, more than 1.9 billion servings of Coke are enjoyed across the planet. That's nearly 1/4 of Earth's population taking a sip of the same taste. But how can every can, from the burning Sahara Desert to the freezing Arctic Circle, taste exactly the same? Today, we're stepping behind the red and white curtain and going inside one of the largest Coca-Cola factories in the world, where machines move with military precision, robots stack like Tetris masters, and the legendary secret syrup comes to life. Let's find out how Coca-Cola is really made. It all started in 1886, when pharmacist John Stith Pemberton created a caramel-colored tonic to cure headaches in his Atlanta pharmacy. 2 years later, entrepreneur Asa Candler bought the formula for just $2,300 and transformed it into a global icon today. The original recipe is said to be locked inside a high-security vault in Atlanta. Yes, an actual vault, complete with palm scanners and steel doors. But here's the fun part. The real magic doesn't happen in that vault. It happens right here, inside the factory, where that mysterious concentrate turns into the world's favorite fizz. Every bottle of Coca-Cola starts with its most important ingredient, water. Water makes up about 90% of Coke, so its purity is everything. At the plant, water is sourced from on-site wells and goes through a 5-step filtration system, including nanofiltration and UV sterilization. Massive steel pipes hum as water is stripped of every impurity, ensuring nothing alters that classic taste. This is why Coke tastes identical, whether you open it in Tokyo or Texas. Now comes the moment everyone talks about, the secret syrup. You might expect guards with briefcases and laser alarms, but in reality, it simply arrives on a forklift inside plain white jugs labeled only with codes. Inside those jugs lies the heart of Coca-Cola, a mix of natural flavors and oils that only a handful of people in the world truly know. The syrup is poured into large stainless steel tanks, where it's blended with treated water and sugar to create the familiar base. This syrup is thick, sweet, and smells exactly like happiness in liquid form. The mixture now flows through an intricate maze of pipes into mixing chambers. Here, sensors and valves maintain exact ratios, no human hands required. If one drop too much syrup enters, the entire batch is automatically corrected by the computer system. Meanwhile, sweeteners differ depending on the product. High fructose corn syrup for classic Coke, aspartame for Diet Coke, and sucralose for Coke Zero. Everything is perfectly balanced. The signature taste engineered to the last molecule. But we're still missing one crucial ingredient, the fizz. Carbon dioxide, CO2, the soul of every soda. The beverage mix is chilled to near freezing, then pumped into a carbonator, where CO2 is injected under high pressure. This creates millions of microscopic bubbles, each one waiting to explode with that familiar psst sound when you open the bottle. It's not just for fun. CO2 also preserves the drink's flavor and gives that tingling sensation on your tongue. Every batch is measured to the exact milligram of carbonation. Too much or too little, and it's rejected. That's the precision that makes Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. Now comes the part that will make every industrial lover smile. The bottling line. thousands of PET plastic preforms are heated and inflated into their familiar bottle shape in seconds. Then, the freshly formed bottles are blasted with filtered air to ensure they're spotless before being filled. Watch closely. Each bottle is flipped upside down, rinsed and righted by a machine moving faster than your eyes can follow. The syrup mixture flows into bottles at a precise 41 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, cool enough to maintain carbonation and prevent foaming. As bottles glide by, high-speed sensors check fill level and temperature. Anything off by even a fraction of a millimeter is removed instantly. Caps race down silver chutes, hundreds per minute, and each one is sealed by a capping machine that can lock 60,000 bottles per hour. That's almost one cap every 0.06 seconds. Beat that. Then, bottles move to the labeling line, where robotic arms apply the iconic red and white logo with laser precision. A laser printer marks each cap with a production date and batch code, so every Coke can be traced back to the very second it was made. After being filled, sealed, and labeled, the bottles glide down the conveyor toward one of the most satisfying stages: packaging. Here, Coca-Cola bottles are grouped, wrapped, and prepared for the world first. Robotic arms sort the bottles into sets, usually 6-packs, 12-packs, or 24-packs, depending on where they're going. Flat sheets of cardboard trays slide underneath each group, giving them a strong base. Then comes the iconic plastic shrink wrap, the transparent film that hugs every bottle tight. As the bundles move through a heated tunnel, the plastic shrinks perfectly around them, locking everything neatly in place. This is called shrink bundling, and it's Coca-Cola's most common packaging style for both bottles and cans. It's fast, efficient, and keeps every pack secure during transport. Whether it's heading to your local grocery store or a vending machine across the city. Once bundled, the packs move to the palletizing area, where robotic lifters stack them layer by layer onto giant pallets. A final layer of stretch film wraps around each pallet, sealing it like a fortress, ready for shipping. And that's the incredible journey of Coca-Cola, from crystal clear water to the bubbling drink in your hand. Next time you pop open a bottle and hear that first fizz, remember the science, precision, and craftsmanship behind every single sip. If you enjoyed exploring the factory floor with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys inside the world's most iconic brands. Tell us in the comments, are you Team Coke or Team Pepsi? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next discovery.